welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sort of bluish smoky halo eye, and I'm going to be using the Dream Street palette. But yeah, if you want to see me get a bluish green, or not bluish green, bluish smoky eye, bluish smoky halo eye, then just keep watching. So I'm going to prime my lids with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C4. And then I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05 Fair. I'm going to take this Ellie Maya ER12 brush. It's just a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Shooting Star. I'm just going to build that color up a little bit more. Sorry, I had to adjust my lights a little bit, so I realized it was kind of hard to see what I was doing. And I'm just going to blend out this edge. Alright, so that we have that laid down, I'm going to take this Glamour Dolls brush. It doesn't have a number, it's like a pointed blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Water Bearer. I'm going to focus this on my outer corner. I'm going to drag it across my crease. And then I'm going to focus this on my inner corner. Alright, so next I am going to take more of that Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to take this Bogachis concealer brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer on my brush and pat that in the middle. And now I'm going to go back into Water Bearer with that same brush and just sort of pat this on the edge of that concealer on either side to sort of give it a blend. A little too far on this one side. But it was a fairly easy fix. So then I'm going to take the shade Sweet Dreams on my finger. I'm going to pack that onto that halo cutout. I'm going to take that same brush with the blue color and pat the edges. And then I'm going to take this Supernova shadow by ColourPop in collaboration with Kathleen Lights in the shade Constellation. And then I'm going to take this angled brush and I'm just going to place this right above that blue. And then I'm going to take this Ciate London Starstruck eyeliner, and on one side it's an eyeliner, on the other side there's a star stamp. And I'm just going to take this and give myself a wing. And then I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and start on my base. I've already primed and I use the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And then I'm going to take a mix of 3 foundations. So I'm going to take some of the LA Girl Pro Matte. This is a little light for me at the moment. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir because it's a little dark for me. And then I'm going to take just a smidge of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Soft Beige. And I'm just going to mix that up. I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend this out on my face. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape in Light and conceal my under eyes. And then I'm going to take more of the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. And set my under eye. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy powder brush and set the rest of my face. So we have a very blank canvas now. I'm going to now go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. blending brush. It's kind of like a thicker fan brush. So now I'm going to take this Tarte Feisty Blush. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighter on this e.l.f. liquid highlighter brush. And then I'm also going to use this to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And then I'm actually going to go in and fill in my brows. And then I'm going to get the foundation off of my lip, and then I'm going to go in with the ColourPop lipstick in collaboration with Kathleen Lights in the shade What's Your Sign. Alright, and here is the final look. I really like how it turned out. This is one that I like played around with the other day and created it, and I really liked it, so I thought I'd film it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.